Hello, everyone. Good evening. I hope you had a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Remember yesterday when we told you about the grants that Main Street associations can apply for through the Mississippi Development Authority? Well, Nettleton is applying, and boy, do they have a plan. Here it is. It's this: remodeling Nettleton's old Cotton Hotel into a new event venue. Main Street's applying for $500,000 through the Mississippi Main Street Revitalization Grant to turn the historic building into what they're calling the Cotton House. The venue would be available for rent for things like weddings, showers, birthday parties, and an architect is already on board to get the plans in place before the grant submission. The building was donated to Nettleton Main Street this summer by Betty Williams, dates back to the late 1800s. A big check came with a big donation for Northeast Habitat for Humanity. TVA donated $30,000 to the nonprofit, and they were all smiles, of course. Executive Director BJ Kent says this gift helps move their mission forward, making home ownership possible for more local families. For TVA, it's about investing in partnerships that strengthen our communities. If you want to help, visit nemshabitat.com, or you can also call their number 662-842-4675. Sarsonic Technologies out of Texas is testing its larger Marauder-class vessels near Gulfport. It looks like this one. This is an AI-powered autonomous boat, and it's a really big boat. The company will use a 30,000 square foot facility at the Port of Gulfport for the final testing and on-water trials. The CEO says Gulfport shipbuilding history has made it the right spot for testing. Mississippi U.S. Senator Roger Wicker, who is also the chair of the Armed Services Committee, was a part of that big announcement. He's in this photo here. He's got the sunglasses on. Let me point to him. There he is. Nailed it. I'm getting used to this whole green screen thing, you guys. He thanks Sarsonic and the critical work they are doing in Mississippi and equipping our warfighters with the challenges that lie ahead. Now, as I mentioned, these boats are really big, 180 feet long, able to carry up to 150 metric tons and travel as far as 5,400 nautical miles. Welcome to Mississippi. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. I hope you have a great night.